If you are looking for vector design software, you have probably come across Inkscape and CorelDRAW. One is completely free and open source, while the other is a premium professional design suite. So which one is the better choice in 2026? Let's compare them. Ease of use. Inkscape has a clean interface, but it can feel less polished, especially for beginners. However, once you learn the basics, it's a powerful tool for creating vector graphics. CorelDRAW offers a more refined and user-friendly experience with customizable workspaces, making it easier for professionals to work efficiently. Winner, CorelDRAW for overall usability. Features. Both programs support vector illustration, logo design, icons, SVG editing, typography, and bath editing. However, CorelDRAW includes advanced features like AI-powered tools, professional color management, multi-page documents, non-destructive effects, and better support for print production. Inkscape covers most essential design needs and even supports extensions and SFG editing, but it lacks some of CorelDRAW's advanced productivity tools. Winner, CorelDRAW. Performance and compatibility. Inkscape runs on Windows, macOS, and Linux, making it a great cross platform choice. Performance has improved significantly, but large complex files can still slow it down. CorelDRAW is highly optimized for professional workloads and handles complex projects much more smoothly. It also offers stronger compatibility with industry standard file formats like AI, PDF, EPS, and PSD. Winner, CorelDRAW. Pricing. This is where Inkscape stands out. It's 100% free with no subscriptions or hidden costs. CorelDRAW requires a paid subscription or a one time license, making it a much larger investment. If you are on a tight budget, Inkscape is hard to beat. Winner, Inkscape. Final verdict. Choose Inkscape if you want a free capable vector editor for logos, illustrations, and everyday design work. Choose CorelDRAW if you are a professional designer, work with print production, or need advanced tools and maximum productivity. Overall, CorelDRAW is the more powerful software, while Inkscape offers the best value for anyone who wants professional vector design without spending money. Thanks for watching. If this comparison helped you, give the video a like, subscribe for more software reviews and comparisons, and let us know down below in the comments which vector editor you prefer and why, Inkscape or CorelDRAW. Thanks for watching and goodbye.